What's your name?
My name is Sergio Escobar.
Well, welcome to the office, Sergio. So before you came to the office, what problems were you having with your mouth or your teeth?
I was bleeding every time that I brush. A big problem, basically.
Okay. How did coming here help resolve that problem?
So the dentist said, I mean, for my case was very advanced, and the problem was very advanced. I need something different.
Mm-hmm.
So she referred me here, because the treatment that they make here is different. It's another approach to the same problem, and I like it. Yes, I try to say that I can heal myself. Yes,
Okay, yeah.
that's the point. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
I can heal myself.
And what did you enjoy about working with our practice?
So when I came here, I was very worried about what's gonna happen, but they explained me everything. They explained in detail what's gonna happen. I feel very comfortable, and I trust them, and I say, okay, let's do it.
Well, that's wonderful. And how has your life changed now that you've had treatment?
So now everything is back to normal in that way. I can brush my teeth and no pain and anything that worry me, and I feel like everything is getting better and better every day.
Oh, that's so good. So what would you say to patients considering coming here for treatment?
Everything is gonna be okay. Don't worry. It's a process that you need to uh, go with, and takes time to heal, but you're gonna have a happy ending. Having this done for 3 months now, I feel very happy to be doing this.
Okay, well, great. And that's it. Thank you